Jesus.
So in order to do this this cloning, it can still be cloning, it can be twin, understand, conjoined twin video, understand, like it's going viral now. How to do it is you record yourself. You are going to put your phone in a steady place. Let me put it on full screen because I already imported it to Capcut. I click here and it becomes full screen. So you have to position your phone on a tripod or your camera on a tripod and you record yourself. Look at the place you are. Make sure you mind the middle, and you are going to have to shift your head one side. You are going to shift your head to one side when recording the very first video. So look at the video. So this is a video. I shifted my head one side, the left side, pretended as if I was performing some action or something like that. So after doing that, you are going to also shift your head the other side, to the left side. Make sure there is a space in the middle. Make sure there is a space in the middle. Understand? Because one head will be one side, another head will be another side when you're editing. So after that, you are not supposed to move. Understand? You're going to be in the same place while you also shift your head to another side. So you're going to shift your head to another side and perform some actions. After that, you bring this video to Capcut. After recording yourself, your head is not going to be in the middle. You have to shift one side, the other one you shift one side. After doing that, you bring this video to Capcut just like you've seen. Then the editing starts. It's very, very easy to do. Let me just go to the middle where I turned my head. After this is where I started turning my head. So when your editing line is here, you tap on the video, you're going to split. So having splitted, you're also going to shift, because you don't want to get this place where your head is in the middle. When your head is bent to the other side, also you are going to also have to split. You split. So when you split, you delete this middle that your head is not on each of the sides. Understand? You are going to have to delete. Tap on it and you delete. After deleting, you're now left with a video of this side. Your head is in the left side, and this side, your head is in the right side. So you tap on the last one, understand, and you look for overlay. When you get to overlay, tap on overlay so that the video is going to come down. Once the video comes down, you long press on the video, press and hold, and you drag to the left side to align with this one. When you press it, you hold it, then you shift it to the left side, so it's going to align. There are going to be two layers now, one in the top and one below. After that, you tap on the layer, the one that is down. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you look for mask. You search for mask under the toolbars. This is mask. You click on mask. Once you click on mask, you are going to choose horizontal. Going to see the straight line, horizontal. Once you choose horizontal, the yellow line, the yellow divider, the yellow masking line is going to come out. You have to use your hand and turn it around. Place one hand here, place one hand here, and you turn it around. When you turn it around, if you turn this way, no, you turn this way. When you turn it around, it is going to reveal like this. Put it in the middle, turn it around. You are going to see that the two clones, the two people are going to be revealed. Once revealed, make sure it is straight lines, so that it's going to get it. Look at the feather icon. You feather it a little, shift it a little to feather, so that somebody is not going to see where the two of them joined. You feather it a little. Feather it a little. After feathering it a little, you are going to have to justify. Click on good and go. After that, click on full screen and watch this video. You are going to see that it is like a conjoined twin, two of them performing different actions at the same time, as you can see. Are you seeing it? So this is how to create this video. Understand? You position your head one side, the other one next side. After that, you are going to split at the middle. Click the one by the light or the left. Anyone can come down as overlay. Anyone can come down as overlay. Once down as overlay, you are now going to use mask, and after that you enhance your video, add sounds to your video, and this is what you have.
Jesus.